Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to export a specific part of a video in CapCut PC. So first you need to click on your video and to click on the plus icon to put on the video to the timeline. And after that you need to click on the specific part of the video where you want to export it. For example, I am clicking on this point and then you need to click on I and choose the point where you want to end the video part. Click on that and then click O. Now your selection has been done, and now head to the export section, and here you can give the name and choose the resolution bitrate and then export it. And here your video has been exported. So in this way you can easily export the specific part of a video. I hope you understand the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.